Hi guys, welcome, welcome into the hot kitchen. How are we doing? Guys, today is our last day on board P&O Britannia. We are literally sailing now into Barbados. So we left St. Martin's yesterday and we are sailing in. We're taking our time and we are heading in. And guys, they said all good things must come to an end. And we're getting off tomorrow morning. And then we're boarding our TUI back to London. But what a great experience. We have been everywhere. We've been to Barbados, we've been to Aruba, we've been to St. Vincent, we have been to Grenada, St. Lucia, we've been to all sorts of places, you know. But right now we are sailing back. You can see for yourself. Look at how calm the sea is. And we're having a fantastic time. At 1:30, the band will be coming on, and that's why I decided to speak to you before the band comes on, because I'm not looking for a copyright. But guys, look at this. Look at what is happening here. Look at what is happening right here. Look at this. The sun is out. And guess what? The hot kitchen is out. Yeah, man. Lou James is in the property, guys.
I am here, enjoying myself. I'm in St. Martin, and it was very lovely. I enjoyed a lot. The sun is very nice. It's hot. You have the water over there, sea over there. Very calm and nice. So we are all enjoying it. Going back home tomorrow. So that is it.
Marilyn's in the house, guys.
Hi, this is our sailing on. As you can see, I'm having a very good, relaxing time. I'm really looking forward to going back, but I suppose we have to. Anyway.
Guys, that is it. You heard it for yourself. That they are having a fantastic time. And so I'm going to ask you to stick and stay. Don't you go anywhere. Stick and stay. Because, can you see the tan? Can you see the tan? Oh my God, I'm tanning. But look at that. I'm going to leave you with this. The sea is calm. It's tranquil. And guys, we're just gliding on top of the water. What a fantastic time we have. And I will see you again. Just stick and stay. Don't you go anywhere. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what you need to do, you need to hit that notification bell so that every time we drop, you're going to be the first to know. Stick and stay right here. Peace out. See ya.